Barbie Kyagulanyi, the pillar behind Bobi Wine. Barbie Kyagulanyi is a Ugandan philanthropist, businesswoman, and a wife of opposition leader Bobi Wine. While she maintains a relatively low public profile compared to her famous husband, she plays a crucial role in his political career, activism, and family life. Here is an in-depth look at her life, influence, and contributions. Barbie was born in Kampala, Uganda, though details about her exact birth date and early childhood remain private. She grew up in a middle-class family and attended Mount St. Mary's College, Namagunga, one of Uganda's most prestigious girls' schools. She later pursued higher education at Makerere University, where she earned a degree in social work and social administration. Her academic background in social sciences would later shape her humanitarian work. Barbie met Bobi Wine in the early 2000s, and they married in 2011 in a private ceremony. Unlike many political wives who stay in the background, Barbie has been a steadfast supporter of her husband's activism, often standing by him during arrests, court trials, and political rallies. Together they have 4 children: Solomon Kampala, Sharon Namagembe, Shadrach, and Subi. Despite the dangers of Bobby's political career, including assassination attempts and government harassment, Barbie has managed to keep their family united. She balances motherhood with her role as a protective figure, ensuring their children's safety amid Uganda's volatile political climate. Barbie is the founder of the Crystal Foundation, a non-profit organization focused on 1. Empowering women and girls through education and vocational training. 2. Supporting vulnerable children. 3. Healthcare initiatives including maternal health and HIV/AIDS awareness. Her foundation has worked with international partners, including UN agencies, to provide scholarships, sanitary pads for school girls, and emergency relief to marginalized communities. Unlike many political spouses who engage in charity for publicity, Barbie's work is a grassroots-oriented, often away from media spotlight. During the 2021 presidential elections, she played a critical role in mobilizing women voters and documenting electoral violence. Her calm yet firm demeanor has earned her respect even among opponents. Being the wife of Uganda's most prominent opposition figure comes with risks. 1. Security threats. Their home has been raided multiple times by security forces. 2. Social media attacks. Pro-government trolls often target her with insults and false rumors. 3. Family strain. Balancing safety and normalcy for their children is an ongoing struggle. Despite this, Barbie remains resilient, using her platform to advocate for political prisoners' rights and gender equality. Barbie is seen as 1. A contrast to extravagant political wives choosing modesty over luxury. 2. A symbol of quiet strength in Ugandan politics. 3. A unifying figure in the opposition, respected across party lines. While Bobi Wine fights in the streets and courts, Barbie ensures the movement survives through community support, diplomacy, and family stability. Barbie Kyagulanyi is more than just Bobi Wine's wife. She's a strategist, humanitarian, and backbone of Uganda's opposition movement. Her ability to navigate danger while uplifting marginalized groups makes her one of the country's most influential women.